understanding the angle facts that we've got. So on our pages today, we've got key ones looking at knowing right angles, angles on a straight line, and angles on a full turn. So the amount of angles or the amount of degrees in a right angle is 90. So we need to remember that 90 degrees. On a straight line, we've got 180. And in that full turn or in a complete circle, we've got 360 degrees. Now this knowledge, this learning is not new to the children, so hopefully that will just refresh them. So currently in our first question, we've got a right angle there. We've got one of our angles is 35. We need to know that together they equal 90. So we've got 35 plus something equals 90. Now, lots of our class can do that in their heads. However, for some of us, we will need to use column subtraction. So if we do 90, take away our 35, we get our answer. 0 take away 5 we can't do. There we go. 10 take away 5 we can do. 8 take away 3 is 5. So this answer would be 55 degrees. So we draw a little, very small, and it's like a dot, but it's like a little circle above our number. 55 degrees. The next one works the same. We're wanting to equal 90. But this time we've got two angles. We've got 22 and we've got 10. So 22 and 10, these two of our part of our right angle equals 32 degrees. So we've got 22 add 10 equals 32. So this time we've got 32 add something equals 90. Now, once again I'll do subtraction to work it out. We've got 90 take away 32. We can't do that. 10 take away 2 is 8. 8, 3 is 5. So this one will be 58 degrees. We've got this one. We're not looking at a right angle anymore. We're looking on a straight line. Or as straight as it can be. I took lots of things home from my classroom. I didn't bring a ruler. So we've got a straight line, and a straight line it's 180 degrees. Because it is two right angles. So we need to know that something equals 180. We've got this case, we've got 60 add something. Now lots of our class once again can do that, but we'll do it subtraction 180, take away our 60, and that will give us our missing angle. 0 take away 0 is 0, 8 take away 6 is 2, 1 take away our 0 is 1. So our missing angle here would be 120. Now, I've only done one question because there's not many in our book, whereas there's a few more of these. So this works exactly the same. However, we're working on 3 questions that all have got full turn, which are 360. So have a think just for a minute. What would we need to do for this one? We've got 155. So we need to do 360 because that's our full turn. But then we need to look at subtracting 155. 0 take away 5 we cannot do, so we exchange from our 6, it becomes a 5, and then our 0 becomes a 10. 10 take away 5 is 5, 5 take away 5 is 0, 3 take away 1 is 2. So this missing angle would be 205. And a way of checking, we could, once we've done it, we could do 205, add 155, and it should equal 365. Add 5 is 10. 5 add 0 add 1 is 6. 2 add 1 is 3. Our next one, we've got the same again. We've got 135 add 90, and our missing angle, and it equals 360. So first of all, 135 add 90, that equals 225. Now I know that this and this equals 225, I need to do our 360 which is our full turn. Take away 225, and that gives us 0, 5, we cannot do it. But 10 take away 5 is 5, 5 take away 2 is 3, 3 take away 1. So this one will be 135 degrees. Perfect.